everyone, welcome to my channel Infi Blush. Hope you all are doing fine. In today's video I'm going to talk about hair loss. Reasons for hair loss. Can we restore the hair that we lost? If yes, then how, and if no, then why? Anyone can lose their hair, but it is more common among men. It can be temporary or permanent according to the reason behind it. So the reason for hair loss can be as follows. First, heredity. Because of heredity, so many people lose their hair. It is one of the most common reason for hair loss. In women, the first noticeable sign is the overall thinning of hair and widening parts. In men, it is noticed by the receding of hairline or the bald spot at the top of the head. The second reason for your hair loss can be your medical condition. There are certain drugs which can be reason for your hair loss, especially those drugs which are used in the treatment of cancer, arthritis, heart problem, or high blood pressure. The third reason is the hairstyle and the treatment. Whatever hairstyle you are, different hairstyle that you are making, or the different colors you are putting on your hair, can be the reason for your hair loss. Those hair colors that we put on our hair have a very high pH value and contain ammonia that is not good for our hair, so it can be the reason for your hair loss. And the last but not the least is your stress, the stress condition you are in, and how much stress you are taking, the environment you are living. So it is one of the most important reason for your hair loss. The second question that comes to our mind is, can we stop hair fall? Of course we can, but before telling you the products that is very useful in stopping hair loss, I would like to tell you few points that we neglect, but they are very important while treating your hair fall problem. The first is circulation, the blood circulation in your scalp. It is very important to have a good blood circulation if you don't want to lose your hair. Sorry. So what can you do to have a good blood circulation? First, massage. Yes, massaging. And for massaging, you don't need oil all the time. Just your fingertips, and with fingertips, do it in a circular motion. Second thing is inversion method. Yeah, I know it sounds funny कि अभी hair fall रोकने के लिए हम उल्टा लटक जाए क्या, but yes आप उल्टा लटक जाओ, but not exactly उल्टा लटक जाओ. आपको बस अपने हेड को इस पोजीशन में लाना है कि आपका जो ब्लड है वो आपके स्कैल्प तक अच्छे से पहुंच सके. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभी स्क्रीन पे आपको दिख रहा होगा. Okay, so the last thing is hair brush. Hair brush is not only useful in detangling your hair, but also in giving a good boost to your capillaries. There are some places where I read this that 100 stroke per day can lead to hair grow. My dear friend, this is a myth and it will not gonna help you. Okay, so the second thing is unblocking of our follicle. It is very important to keep our follicles clean. Some dandruff, because of dandruff, excess oil, or the oil we put and the dust particle from outside can block our follicle and stop it from further growth. So this can lead to hair loss. For this we need to shampoo regularly, not every day, regularly. If necessary, then scrub your scalp to give it a good clean. So the next thing that you need to keep on check is protein. The main component of our hair is protein. So yeah, lack of protein can lead to hair loss. So you need to keep on check that you are taking proper amount of protein in your daily diet. Okay, so the last thing that you need to keep in check is 5 vitamins and 3 nutrients. The vitamins are as follow. Vitamin A, which helps in producing oily substance called sebum, and sebum helps in moisturizing the scalp. The second vitamin is vitamin B. The third is vitamin C. Vitamin C have very strong antioxidant property. The fourth is vitamin B, and the fifth is vitamin C. Vitamin E is similar to vitamin C and having a strong antioxidant property. And the 3 nutrition that you need to keep in check is iron, zinc, and protein. Okay, so now we will talk about few products which will be very helpful in preventing hair loss. The first is onion juice. Onion juice give a mild nourishment to your hair follicles and give a good blood circulation. Second is rice water. Rice water is like a protein treatment to your hair. And third is ginger juice. Ginger juice again gives you a very good blood circulation and some nutrition, which is very helpful in hair growth. Fourth is fenugreek seed. You can either add it in the oil that you use, or you can make a paste out of it and apply on your scalp. And fifth is a vitamin E capsule. You can you can add it to your oil, or you can apply on your scalp. So that's all with the 5 products which are very useful in preventing hair fall. And if you have any question related to these 5, you can ask me in the comment section. Okay, so now let's see the case in which it is difficult for us to restore the hair that we lost. In genetic hair loss, what happens is our hair follicle get closed permanently, and it is very impossible for us to reopen the follicles and regenerate the hair from it. Till now, there's no medicine or treatment as such, but there are so many companies and brands which are claiming that they will regenerate your hair almost up to 70% or 75%, 50%. But I suggest you not to go for them and waste your money on the oil and the shampoo they are selling. If the hair fall is too much, then go and see a doctor. Otherwise, so focus on the hair that you are left with. Take good care of it. Whatever I have told, try it, and it will definitely be very helpful to you. So yeah, that's all with today's video. If this video is beneficial to you, please do like, share and comment, and please subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on Instagram for daily update with handle infiblush.gloss, or see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.